What are the best tips for woodworking safety? Woodworkers know that tools they use can be extremely dangerous if not used properly, so the first step in woodworking safety is to learn how to use each tool in the shop, even if that means learning from a trained professional. Improper use can not only lead to injury, but also to damage to the tool itself. Ensuring adequate lighting in the shop is also a key woodworking safety tip, and installing lights over specific tools may be necessary as well. Ventilation will also be important for ensuring the air quality is not hazardous to the woodworker's health. A ventilation system may be as simple as an open window or as complex as an air exchanger system. In neither case, it will be important to ensure sawdust does not build up around the tools or on the floors of the shop, as this sawdust can be hazardous to a woodworker's health. Woodworking safety must dictate that sawdust collection systems are used to suck up sawdust at the cut location, and dust collection bins can be placed beneath some machines to collect dust as well. An air exchanger will ensure fresh air is pumped into the shop and dirty air is pumped out. Most wood shops use tools that run on electricity, and many feature bits and blades that rotate at high speeds. This means the fire is a possibility. Woodworking safety dictates that fire extinguishers be present at all times, and they are conveniently located within the shop for quick access. All machines should be inspected regularly to ensure they are in proper working condition. Any exposed wires should be replaced immediately, and the machine should not be used if sparks or flames are possible. Some machines create sparks as part of the cutting process, and while this is normal, precautions should be taken to ensure flammable materials are not in a position to catch fire. The woodworker himself should adhere to woodworking safety techniques as well. He should wear protective equipment such as goggles and earplugs whenever possible, and ventilation masks should be used if a significant amount of sawdust will be created. Sometimes it will be necessary for a woodworker to wear thick gloves to prevent getting cut, though in some cases the gloves can pose just as much of a risk, as they can get caught in moving parts and cutting bits. Steel-toe boots should be worn whenever possible, and clothing should be flame retardant. Visit the website. Click below.